Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new Sea Ray 190 SPX 2020 model year. Beautiful boat, finished off in full white hull, that way the spray from the salt won't show. Outboard motor making it super low maintenance. Even comes with a galvanized trailer with a swing tongue, so you can shorten it up, put it in your garage. Brakes, everything included, LED lighting. Walking around back, we've got a stainless telescoping swim ladder to make boarding on and off to the stern very easy when you're out at the beach. Nice walkthrough to get us up into the main area of the boat, as well as a ski pylon for all your water sports. Let's jump up inside and see what the rest of it looks like. So here we are up inside the boat here. At the helm we've got a Simrad chart plotter and bottom machine. Nice walkthrough area to get up to the bow. Dual sun loungers, as well as a aft facing seat in the middle that can be removed for easy boarding on and off. Speakers throughout the boat, lots of storage in this. Big hatch right there on the floor, you can put skis or wakeboards down there. Convertible seating on the port side. Right now it's set up to be either a dual seat or a sun lounger, and then you've got seating for 3 here back at the stern. And finally, big sun lounger pad that when opened up here, I want to show you how much room is inside. Look at that. They've got a cooler down there, and that cooler looks just tiny down in that huge compartment. Plenty of room for all of your toys for the day. Get out there, have some fun. You guys have any questions? Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My information's right there at the bottom. Thanks.